What's up mga kalagaray? Welcome back to our channel.
Good day mga kalagarahe. New day, new build. And new year, new build. So for this 2025, Happy New Year pala mga kalagarahe. So for this 2025, we have our new build. It's a Cafe Racer build. And ang base bike natin is Motorstar Cafe 150. And si client na nag-provide ng base bike. So bali ang nangyari sa motor na ito mga kalagarahe is ang client na nag-provide ng base bike, which is a very used bike and nakatambak siya actually. So it wasn't in good running condition. So bali ni-restore muna natin before natin binild. So alright, so before tayo mag-start sa details, we'd like to thank our sponsor, Macho Mucho. Check them out mga kalagarahe for your haircut needs. And then, promote lang natin yung riding jerseys natin. Malapit na pong dumating kasi pinaship out na ni Imprint Customs. So, this is a collaboration between Imprint Customs and Lagarahe Motorcycles. So, ito yung riding jersey natin. Ayan, available for pre-orders na or anytime you want to order, pwede nang mag-order mga kalagarahe. So, it is priced at 1,300 pesos only plus shipping. So, maybe we'll add it on our Shopee account, pero depende kasi malaki yung tax sa tax sa Shopee. So, ayun, we'll just update. Basically, you can order through our Facebook page and pa-ship lang natin through JNT. So, ayun. This new year, papakita namin sa inyo yung gawa nating Cafe Racer build, which is a pretty good start for the year. So, explain natin yung details ng mga ginawa natin. So, dito lang muna ako kasi explain ko yung ginawa natin sa frame. So, as you can see, ito yung stock ng Motorstar Cafe 150. Ayan. And, this is our build. Ayan. So, basically, ang ginawa natin, change tank, modify frame, change tires, rims, lahat, extend swing arm, modify swing arm. So, ayun, explain ko. So, ang ginawa natin dito, first off, is kinat natin yung other half niya. Kasi malapit na February, no? So, other half yung term. So, alright. So, kinat natin yung other half niya dito kasi medyo awkward talaga yung stock. I think most of you Motorstar Cafe 150 owners would agree, right? So, minodify natin. So, gumawa tayo ng bagong chassis niya. So, naka-monoshock na. And then, yung swing arm extended and at the same time modified. So, nilagyan natin ng brace dito. And, kinabitan natin ng monoshock. And, I don't know if you have seen the details, but aesthetic-wise, this line connects straightly from this bolt up to here sa neck. So, straight line po yan mga kalagarahe. Ginamitan talaga namin yan ng laser alignment para makuha natin yung perfect straight line. And then, yung play ng shocks, if you're asking if it's good, proven and tested namin kanina sa pag-test drive namin, alright? So, pinangkas ko yung assistant ko and kami, nag-ride kami around the city. And, it works amazingly well. So, okay na okay siya mga kalagarahe. And then, dito muna tayo sa carb. Pinalitan natin ng racing carburetor. And then, mushroom filter. Ayan. Medyo mahirap lang siya hanapan ng manifold kasi nga bolted yung stock. Then, sa engine, nirepaint na natin. Ayan, repainted siya. And then, yung elbow niya, stuck pa din. Pero nilagyan natin ng thermal wrap. Powder coated sa ilalim. And then, bullet pipe. Ayan. And dito tayo sa itaas. So, in-on ko na. Ayan. So, digital na speedometer. Ayan. And then, clip-on handlebars. Ito, pinowder coat na rin natin. Triple clamp. And then, favorite natin na grips. Diamond grips. Favorite natin na bar and side mirror. And then, dito tayo sa headlight. Ayan. Our favorite ring light na headlight. So, may ano siya. Low and tsaka high. Ayan. And then dito tayo sa fender. So as usual, custom aluminum, hand-shaped, handcrafted aluminum fender. Ayan, with custom brackets of course. Stock pa rin yung forks and fork boots mga kalagarahe, pero pinalitan natin yung rims and tires and spokes. And powder coated na rin yung hubs. Alright. And about sa paint job, this is somewhat like a copper orange. So, sunrise flake orange ang term niya. So, it's a copper orange. May pagka-bronzy orange siya. So, it's very attractive and very classic siya mga kalagarahe. And dito naman sa rear fender, this is what we always attach when we build cafe racers. It is a mono arm tire hugger. So, andito lang na side yung bracket niya. And then sa seat, custom natin, hand-shape natin. Full custom talaga since custom natin yung frame, custom na rin yung seat. And then embedded LED strip. So, ganyan siya mga kalagaray. Pakita natin yung signal light. Right, left, and brake light. Ayan. And then, if you're asking and wondering saan po nilagay yung battery. So, that's one of the most asked questions kung saan namin nilalagay yung battery namin. Kasi, yes, magaling kami magtago ng battery daw. So, alright, reveal natin kung saan yung battery. So, gumawa kami ng battery housing. So, ito yung battery housing niya. Made of steel and powder coated. Bali, isahan na yung underneath niya dito. So, isahan na siya. Sorry kung madumi kasi galing kaming ride. So, ito, andito na lahat. Most of the wirings. And other wirings, andito ilalim sa tank. So, wala kayong makikita masyadong wirings dyan kasi nga, wire tacking tayo always. And naka-wrap yung mga wirings natin ng nylon wrap. And yung susian niya pala mga kalagarahe, andito na sa gilid. So, I don't know if it's our signature, pero most of our builds talaga, dito natin nilalagay yung mga susian natin. So, ayun mga kalagarahe, we hope that you like our first build of the year, 2025. And this build, kukunin to ni Sir maybe tomorrow kasi kakarating niya lang from US. So, perfect yung timing na na-finish din natin tong bike na to. Actually, walang sinabing specs na gusto ni Sir. Sabi niya lang gusto kong magandang cafe racer. So, ayun, we gave him a good-looking cafe racer. And here's what he gets. And sabi niya, he wants to keep the orange color. So, we improved the orange stock color of the Motorstar Cafe 150. So, we came up with this. And na-think ko lang kasi there's a spectrum of colors for classic bikes. So, this is one that fits classic bikes na orange kasi not all orange fits for a classic build. Alright? So, ayun mga kalagaray, let's conclude this build with this montage. Alright, let's go!